a student of class 4 from Nur Academy Senior Secondary School. Today I am here to do an experiment of science and I choose the topic named filtration. First I am going to say what is filtration. The filtration is the process by which insoluble solids can be removed from water. It's called filtration. Now I am going to say how did I make the filter. First I take thermocol. Then I cut the thermocol like the steps. Then I take 5 glasses and 5 straws. I put the glasses in the thermocol and I make a hole in the glasses and put the straw also. In the first I pour stones and in the second I pour coal and in the third I pour sand and in the last I pour cotton. Now see what is our experiment. The water is coming out and from the stone is coming in the coal and from the coal is coming in the sand and from the sand is coming in the cotton. Now the cotton will absorb the water and make it clean and the water will become here by a clean water. And I take the water in